Today, we're sharing how to make a chicken avocado saltimbocca. We start with avocado lemon caper sauce at our base. This sauce is made by blending diced avocado, butter, minced garlic, lemon juice, fresh parsley, chicken broth, white wine, and salt, then folding in chopped capers. To this, we'll add a mix of roasted sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, yellow squash, and onions, all baked with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a hint of maple syrup. Next, let's prepare our avocado. Check first for a stem and remove. Starting at the stem, insert the avocado tool and cut around the avocado in half lengthwise. Gently twist the two halves to separate. Place the avo tool at the base of the pit and pop out by applying upward pressure. Insert the avocado tool at the top of the avocado and scoop around the avocado to loosen from skin. Place it face down on your cutting board. Slice lengthwise into quarter-inch slices. Lay a slice of prosciutto flat on your cutting board and place fresh sage at the center. Next, place 3 slices of the avocado on top of the sage leaves. Lay a seared chicken breast on top of the avocado and wrap the prosciutto tightly around the chicken. Carefully flip your wrapped chicken onto a sheet pan and top with a slice of fresh mozzarella. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees until the cheese is melted. Directly over your roasted vegetables, place the baked chicken saltimbocca and garnish with a fresh Italian avocado salsa verde. The Italian avocado salsa verde is made by folding parsley, pistachios, garlic, red pepper flakes, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper with diced avocado. You're ready to serve your chicken avocado saltimbocca by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.